All right, YouTube, Anthony Lyons, AO Designs, back with another video. On this episode, we're going to tackle these speakers, all the speakers that are going in the doors. As you can see, we have a 6-channel amp here on the left and a big mono block on the right. Last episode, you saw that I put some sound deadening in and I was building the sub box. Sub box is over here, pretty much all completed. Just got to mount the subs and get some help to put it in. This thing is heavy, but it's coming along. We decided to go with a second battery, so we're ordering that, waiting for that to come in. There's the battery isolator, and then we'll have second battery in the trunk, in the spare tire well area. But let's get to these speakers. We're going to install the speakers while we're waiting, and then I have a big surprise at the end of this video of what's next. Got a big system coming in along with this one. All you bass heads, man, click like, share, subscribe. You're not going to want to miss. So stay tuned to the end. I'll show a little sneak peek of what's to be next that's going along with this Acura. So stay tuned. Let's get these speakers in. Okay, y'all, just want to give you a little quick update on the doors. As you can see, I got the crossover mounted in there with a plastic plate tucked underneath in there. I got quick disconnects, so that way when the door comes off, it's easy to just quickly disconnect everything. There's the tweeter quick disconnect right there. And then we have the 6.5 going in. These things are really nice. Sorry about that light. There they are right there. So let me get these in here and move on to the rear speakers. Man, my place is a mess. Let me clean up and then we'll get back at it, all right? So stay tuned. All right, y'all, working on these speakers, I found that we had a problem. So the customer was saying that there wasn't getting much sound out of the speaker down here, the 6.5. That's because if you look, there's these two big cavity holes, so the speaker is canceling itself out. There's no way for it to produce any sound with this all wide open. So what I started to do is went ahead and sealed. I got that door done, sealed up the door entirely with some sound deadening. Made some spacers so the speakers can fit. But I just want to show you that if it looks like this and you just stick that speaker in there, you ain't gonna get no sound. So again, quick disconnects everywhere, but plugging along, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so the last part of the speaker install is the rear deck tray here. There's some 6.5s that were previously installed. You got the factory subwoofer. Those are all coming out. The factory subs coming out. We're gonna sound deaden this whole entire deck. We'll use this hole here from the factory sub for the bass to travel in. Remember, we got some big 12s inside the trunk. To keep up with the 12s, we have all these speakers going in, front doors, and rear deck. We're gonna try to get a 3-way system in here, just to be loud, clear, clarity everywhere as a whole. Again, this is like the party car. So stay tuned as I try to figure out a way to get a 3-way component set here in the rear, and that will wrap up the speaker install on the Acura. And again, at the end, I'll let you know what one of the big jobs coming up, a little secret. So stay tuned, get your popcorn snacks, enjoy. And just like that, YouTube, the speakers are all mounted. Front doors, rear doors, and the rear deck. As you can see, there's the three-way components. Everything's all mounted. I just got to start putting the car back together and work on the trunk. So the next video will be all about the trunk, the subwoofer going in, and 2 subs going in, and the amp rack. So stay tuned for all of that. And then we'll have a finale at the end. This thing's gonna be pretty loud, clear. Man, can't wait. So again, click like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from AO Designs. Man, 12-inch woofer, 18-inch woofer, 12-inch woofer, 18-inch woofer. Stay tuned for something really big. Really big. Look at this amplifier. Stay tuned.